Okay, guys. I've been literally driving around for like the last 45 minutes looking for firewood. Yes. And I drove out and I just kept driving and I needed gas, so I stopped at this little gas station, Phillips 66, and guess what, y'all? They got firewood, so let me go get some gas and get some firewood for my recipe that I'm making for you guys today. I don't know about y'all, but I'm sure I'm not alone with this peaceful feeling that you get when you drive along a rural road all by yourself. See, it's like the perfect mental playground for an introvert like me. Although I spend most of my time in the city, I do find time to quiet down my daily surroundings by taking a long drive into quietness, stillness, and nature's grace, where you may hear the sounds of passing cars, cows, birds, or the blowing winds dancing with the trees, or the soothing sound of raindrops replenishing and feeding the earth. This mental playground allows my thoughts, ideas, and creative juices to flow comfortably enough to visit and explore the possibilities. I appreciate the beauty of nature. On one of my road trips, this recipe came to my mind and it tingled my taste buds. So I have to make this recipe. Cajun Sweet Thai Chicken with grilled pineapples over the campfire. And if you like this recipe, which I think you would if you tried it, all the ingredients and directions will be listed in the description box. black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ground nutmeg, Lowry's seasoning salt, and Cajun seasoning.
She's fine. What's her name?
Bear.
Hey, Bear. My viewers might like you.
She's shedding at this time of year. It's kind of weird. Her hair's starting to mat up and just fall out. She's backwards.
Yeah.
She sheds in the winter and not in the spring.
She's checking out the campground. She's finna go see Mike over there now. These my buddies over here. We camp at the same spot all the time. Season the chicken, honey. Now, these are just my seasonings that I put on my chicken. You know, whatever seasoning that you use for your chicken, that's just fine. I don't do just salt and pepper because that's just not enough flavor for me. And I don't measure my spices, but depends on how much chicken you have or whatever. You might want to go with 1/4 of a teaspoon. I think you'll be safe with that. Just mix it up. And this is a lot of chicken, guys, but I'm making enough because, for one, my mom wants some, so I gotta bring Mama Myra to y'all some chicken, and I should have some left over for lunch for work tomorrow. Okay, so I think that's good and mixed. Let me go wash my hands. Now the recipe calls for brown sugar. I don't have brown sugar, so I'm going to use my coconut palm sugar. To me, it's just like brown sugar, but that's what I'm going to use instead of brown sugar. Got sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, it's supposed to be brown sugar, rice vinegar, and this is supposed to be chili flakes. We're just going to go with red pepper flakes. It does call for fresh garlic. I don't have that, so we're just going to use powdered garlic and lime juice. And this is going to be the sauce for the chicken. I think I'm going to add some honey to it. Sounds good to me. Let's give that a taste. That's pretty good, guys.
really enjoyed my meal, but unfortunately, time has not been my friend ever since daylight has decreased. Now I have about 30 minutes to finish eating and clean up before it gets dark. I'm an hour and a half away from my job, so I need to get to a closer sleeping destination, which, in the morning, I'm sure I'll be grateful that I made that decision. If you're new to this channel and you like this video recipe, you are more than welcome to join. That notification bell will notify you of my next upload. Thank you all for watching. Shalom and blessings to all.
Headed back to the city after a weekend in the woods. Feel recharged, feel refreshed, feel rejuvenated. All praises to the Most High. Yes, indeed.